Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple creative ways to make different crafts and pictures using the orange peel like this. So here we are making a cute bird, make its ears, legs, and it's ready. Next, take a orange and then draw the lines on it. Now, after drawing the lines, cut it using the blade or the cutter. Now, remove the pulp from the between. Take a peel and make the flower out of it like this and fix it over it, and your baskets are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a orange and then cut it from the side like this. Draw a circle over it and then cut it. Now after cutting it out, we will remove its pulp. Okay, first we will cut it from the back as well. After cutting it, remove it like this. After removing it, remove the pulp by cutting it out like this. Now after that, cut it from the sides. Give it a finishing shape. Now take the peel and then draw the star over it like this. After that, cut it out using a cutter. Take the big peel like this. Draw the shapes and lines over it in the same manner as shown in the video. Draw the triangle like shape as we are doing. Draw different shapes. Now after that, cut it out and then we will fix it and decorate the big peel which we removed like this. Cut it very carefully as shown in the video. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you enjoyed it or not. Cut it one by one. Now after that, we are done with the cutting. We will fix them. Fix a stick over the star like this and then put it as we are putting it. Put it in the sides of the big peel like this. Fix it using the stick very carefully. Now fix it on the top like this. Cut it and then fix it properly. Take the star and fix it on the top it as well. You can decorate it in more ways as per your choice. After you are done with all the fixings, we will make its eyes like this. Draw the mouth of it and your cute animal face will be ready. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. For that, we'll be taking the orange as shown in the video. Take it and then we will cut it from the top like this. Cut it and then cut it from the back as well. Now cut it from the sides. Cut it very carefully as shown in the video. Now cut it from the bottom as well and fix it on the sides. So here we are making a frog and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a orange and remove its pulp like this. Now cut it from the sides. Now remove the small part from the between like this. Fill the pulp in the between and it's ready.